Can conditional breakpoints identify data corruption? Have you ever wondered how developers catch tricky bugs in their code? One powerful tool in their toolkit is the conditional breakpoint. Today, we will look at how these breakpoints can help identify data corruption during debugging. Conditional breakpoints pause the execution of a program only when a specific condition is met. This means you can monitor certain variables or memory locations without stopping the program every time it hits that point. This feature is especially useful for catching intermittent data corruption that might not happen consistently. For instance, if you suspect that a variable is being corrupted, you can set a conditional breakpoint to trigger only when the variable's value goes outside expected ranges. This allows you to pinpoint the exact moment when the corruption occurs, making it easier to trace back to what caused it. You can also use conditional breakpoints on memory access operations. This helps detect overwrites of critical data, like return addresses on the stack. By scripting the debugger to automatically set and clear watchpoints based on certain conditions, you can catch issues like stack corruption or buffer overflows that might otherwise be hard to reproduce. However, it is important to remember that conditional breakpoints have their limitations. They requiring the program to run under a debugger, which can change how the program behaves, especially in real-time or embedded systems. If the data corruption is silent or caused by complex interactions, conditional breakpoints alone might not be enough to find the root cause. To effectively identify and fix data corruption issues, it is best to combine conditional breakpoints with other debugging techniques. This might include memory access watchpoints, logging, assertions, and advanced fault detection models. Using conditional breakpoints strategically helps reduce unnecessary noise and focus on the events that matter most, improving your debugging efficiency. In practice, conditional breakpoints can indeed identify data corruption by halting execution when corrupted data appears. This allows you to investigate the program's state at that critical moment. They work best when you have a clear idea of what conditions might indicate corruption, and when they are part of a broader debugging strategy tailored to your software and hardware environment.